Hello, my name is Emma, and I am on the training and support team at Blueprint Solutions. This video will give you a brief overview of the telehealth tool in Blueprint OMS and ways it can be used to streamline your telehealth appointments. To navigate the telehealth tool, all we have to do is go into your main setup menu, select the scheduling tab, and choose Telehealth. The telehealth feature can be activated from the setup menu, where you can choose from several different preset platforms or create a new platform that isn't listed yet. To allow for maximum flexibility, we have designed this feature to work with any video conferencing platform, including manufacturer telehealth tools. Once you've configured your sending email address and pasted in your base platform URL, you're ready to begin scheduling telehealth appointments. In this example, I'll be using Zoom. I simply highlight, edit platform, and I'm able to paste my video conference URL. Specific appointment types can be default telehealth appointments, which will automatically check the telehealth box, or you can check the box on any appointment to turn it into a telehealth appointment. This will prompt you to paste in the appointment URL, which will be sent along to the patient with instructions for joining the meeting when it's time. When it's time for the meeting, simply right-click on the appointment and follow the link to join the session. The patient will receive an email or text notification with instructions for joining the telehealth session. They can simply click on the link in the text or email to join when it's time. Telehealth is an innovative tool for connecting with new and existing patients, establishing relationships, and ensuring that the patient receives your best care. We hope you and your patients enjoy the simplicity and the convenience of telecare through Blueprint OMS.